Hello, grow potatoes in buckets or grow potatoes in fabric bags? Which is best? Well, there's only one way to find out, and for that we'll need a bucket, we'll need a fabric bag, roughly the same size. They both hold about 10 litres of mix, so that gets us off onto a level playing field, and for that we need a couple of potato plants that are of the same variety, and I have just those two plants here, fast starts as I like to call them. There's a video on the channel shows you how to make a fast start potato, and these particular plants are amber, so we're going to put one amber in the bucket, one amber in the bag, grow them on till they deliver, and then turn them out in about 3 to 4 months. That's when you'll see a result. But if you want to see a result of a previous trial I run with buckets and bags and potatoes being turned out, if you want to see that delivery, stay till the end of this video, because I'm going to clip on a delivery that I done some years ago. Hey, you might be surprised at that delivery. Bear in mind when you watch it, one potato in a bag, one potato in a bucket. Check out what we get back. Check out the delivery, the quality, the weight. Okay, let's plant these two potatoes. So this is the plan of attack. We'll take the two potato plants out of shot, and I'm going to put roughly 2 inches of mix in the bottom of the bucket and the bag. It's just a rustic homemade garden mix, nothing special about this mix. But as you can see, the bucket and the bag are growing in the same mix. Just a little bit more in that bag, I think. Yep, that's it. Now let's bring on the potatoes. Tell you what, we'll make life easier if we move the bag out the shot. We'll just work with the bucket for the time being. Okay, so we turn this up like this, give it a squeeze. Hope you can see that. Hey, that's a root system. That is a root system. That's a potato plant. So we're going to sit this in the bucket. I'll see if I can lean this a bit. You got it? I hope you have. It's sat in the middle, yep. And we're going to bury it. But we're not going to damage it because we've got this sewn off pop bottle to protect it. So we slide that over the top, and then we can be as rough as we like. Yeah, we definitely can. We can be as rough as we like. I would call that buried up, would you? Right, just work the pop bottle back out. I'll try and let you see that potato plant, but I don't think you will be able to because it's going to collapse in on top of it. Yeah, we'll just shake it in. Hey, where's that potato plant gone? We've buried it. Yes, we have. Does this work? I bet your bottom dollar it works. I've done this for a few years now. Stick the ticket in, and that's a bucket done. Right, let's do the bag. same modus operandi, so to speak. Let's take the potato plant out. Yeah, it's amber. Same as the last one, look. Roots and shoots, shoots and roots. It's not a potato, it's a potato plant. I know, I've grew it. Used to be a potato, but it ain't anymore. Oh, I need to make a correction. Did I say that you might be surprised if you stay till the end and watch the result of a previous video I shot where I turned out the bucket? Well, I'm rowing back on that. You might be surprised, you will be surprised. Yeah, you will. I was when I done that. I definitely was. Right, let's get our hands dirty. Okay, so if you've come this far, you're going to see that video now. But don't forget, after you've watched it, thumbs up would be nice. If you're a subscriber, thanks for being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, hey, why not? Come back in 3 to 4 months. We'll turn these two potatoes out. Okay. How's that? Completely buried. Potato in a bag. Potato grown in a bucket. We're up and running. Well, I think this calls for a weigh-in. Let me just see if I can get the potatoes from the bucket at one end of the batter and the potatoes from the bag at the other end, and then I think we'll actually do a weigh-in. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, the bag has definitely produced some bigger potatoes, but there's quality in the bag and there's quality in the bucket and there's quantity. We're going to do a weigh-in. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do a weigh-in. But I'll tell you now, if you were to ask me, can you grow potatoes in a bucket? The answer is yes. Can you grow potatoes in a fabric bag? The answer is yes. So we'll bag these up and we'll put those in the bucket. I'll go and get the scales and we'll have that weigh-in. I've got to tell you, I'm really pleased with this return. Yes, I am. Really pleased. Those potatoes are clean. Remember, that's only a 10-inch bucket, and that bag was filled with a bucket full of soil from that bucket, so it's exactly the same amount of growing material in each. Right, let me go and get the scales. Okay, let's weigh these potatoes. I think we'll go with the bucket first, shall we? Let's see what the bucket gives us. I will say these are a nice clean potato. It's quality here. One for my old mate if she'd been still with us. Molly. Right. Let me come round your side, see what we've got for the bucket. Well, I'm making that £1.75. Would you agree? £1.75 of quality potatoes from a small 10-inch water bucket. One shop bought potato, chitted and grown on. Hey, that's a result, isn't it? You're not kidding, it is. Still haven't managed that £2 this year yet, but hey, that's a result. We're happy with that. Okay, let's do the bag. Is your money on the bucket or on the bag? What's it on? Well, these potatoes coming from the bag, there's a couple of them are significantly bigger than the rest. That might sway it. And again, these are quality potatoes. Right, what have we got from the bag? Oh, come on. Come on, that's nearly £2.5. Get in there, Morton. That's my first £2 delivery this year from just one potato. And it was one potato growing in a bag, not growing in a bucket. But that's my first £2. In fact, it's nearly £2.5. What did the bucket have? 1 3/4. Well, there's only one winner here, isn't there? There's only one winner here. I think there's a clear winner. What do you think? Let me know. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is Homegrown Veg, signing out.